Bonjour! Today for my lunch I really needed something spring and summery because this weather outside is just terrible. So I bought this potato and rosemary bread from the bakery, and then I made some confit garlic and added some sweet cherry tomatoes on top, and that went roasting for about 20 minutes. I removed all of the little pips, opened all of the garlic that are delicious, added some mozzarella on top, back for 5 minutes. Et voilà, listen, added some basil, some oil, salt, pepper. Easy. Bon appétit.
Te perdonaría si tuviera tiempo, pero la verdad estoy muy ocupado. Márcame mañana, pero te lo advierto, no estoy interesado. Te perdonaría, pero ¿a quién le importa perdonar a alguien que abusó de tonta? Ya cambié tus besos por otros más dulces a los de tu boca. Te perdonaría.
Not gonna lie, I have been in a cooking rut lately, and it's probably because I have this never-ending cold. So I opted for a quick and easy lunch using the pesto that I made at the beginning of the week, and I think this could be my new favorite lunch. Using almond flour tortillas, we add our pesto and then our egg over top, and I'm adding some chili crunch, some more pesto and dill. Make sure to follow me for more easy recipes. Enjoy!
Love instant noodles like me, but you want to make them even better. This is how I make mine at home. So I add some dumplings into the water. These are just frozen from Costco. Then I get my soup and vegetable base from the noodle packet, and then I add ginger, a little bit of garlic, some soy sauce, some sesame oil, some Japanese mayo, then give that a mix. Then add the noodles into the water. Then once they're ready, add the soup base in. Give that a mix, and then you're ready to serve. I like to garnish mine with some sesame seeds, a little bit of chili oil, and some chopped spring onion, and that is it. The easiest work-from-home lunch ever.
Yummy lunch under $5. Honey lemon teriyaki chicken. Season the chicken thighs with salt and pepper. Give the meat side a 15 minutes lemon mask. Make a simple sauce with lemon juice, fresh ginger, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine, honey, and water. Mix well. Remove the lemons. Apply cornstarch on the meat side of the chicken. Pan fry the chicken thighs with the skin side facing down. There is no need to add any cooking oil. Look how much oil the chicken skin has released. 480 seconds later, flip them over. Pan fry the meat side for 300 seconds. Pour in the sauce. Thicken the sauce until it's thickened. Serve with rice. This is Mr. Heath's first cheat meal this week. It's Monday, by the way.